Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial where today we will be seeing how to integrate ChatGPT with Telegram using make.com, allowing you to send messages directly to ChatGPT and receive responses in your chat. This setup is simple and quick, perfect for enhancing your Telegram experience with AI powered responses. Before we start, let us see what you need exactly for making this. We will be using a bot which is created from BotFather, and you will create a channel and get the chat ID and place it in make.com. And we also need the OpenAI's API key for making all this. Once we have all this, we can dive into making this procedure. Okay, head to the Telegram and search for bot father and start the conversation by using the command /newbot. Follow the instructions to give your bot a name and username. Once you are done, bot father will provide you with an API token key. Keep this token safe as you will need it later. It's time for the creation of channel. Click on this icon and click on add new channel and give it a name. I am giving it as ChatGPT, and this is where we get the chat ID from to integrate in the make. Now let us see how we will integrate this to make.com. If you don't have an account in make.com, sign up for the free tier. Once you are logged in, you will be creating a new scenario in this make.com. So this is your dashboard showing you to create a first scenario. So just click on open scenario builder. Right, after you click on open scenario builder, you will be redirected to a page like something like this. Now we will be clicking on this plus icon to first have our first module, which is to see the updates in this module. So we will be clicking on Telegram bot here, and you will find a suite of features here. We will be choosing watch updates module. So what we will be doing in this section is you will be connecting your Telegram bot using your API token from your bot father. So click on the bot Telegram bot and you choose the webhook. So you don't have a webhook right now, so you will be creating one by clicking on add. So click on add and you will find webhook name already in your placeholder. So now you can optimize the connection name if you want. Grab the token from the bot father API token and just place it over here. So I will just bring it on and put it over here and click on save. So I will click on save again. So this module, what does it do? If anyone asks you, say this module connects your Telegram bot using API token from bot father, and this is all about this Telegram bot. Okay, so we will see how it runs so that you can get the chat ID from here also rather than getting it from there. So I will click on run module and you see this is successful. Click on the search icon that you find here and you will see the operations 1, and in that operation 1 you will be finding channel post. In the channel post, click chat and you get the ID from here. So store it down, you will need this in your future, so just save this somewhere. So we will be moving to the next module, that is the HTTP module, which is our chat GPT actually. So in this module you will set up a request to OpenAI's API. So I am searching for chat GPT. So I will search chat GPT and you will find a list of options again. So I will click on create a completion because this will complete the prompt of chat. So I will be choosing this and click on add and you will set up the OpenAI connection, grabbing the API key from your OpenAI dashboard and put the organization key. You will complete this. Now choose the completion method as chat completion method, and you can choose the latest model from the model section. As you see, you have 3 models available for you. Choose the latest model that is available for you at that time, and this is the OpenAI connection setup. And now let us add some messages to this. So go to the messages section, click on add item, and you see the role as user. So this is how you set up user, because you will be chatting with the chat GPT that you have created. So the role is user. And now we will be adding the message content. As this is the Telegram bot's message content, you find many options here. So just go down and in the channel post choose the text. So this is what you get it like this, and click on OK. Now click on the new module. So in the new module, what you will be doing is you will be getting the message from this ChatGPT to yourself. So click on that plus module and click on Telegram bot. So what you will be doing here, you will be listening. So click on that and click on add connection and choose the connection and grab on the chat ID that you have grabbed from the first and paste it down here. And you can also grab it from the channel section and change it to @channel name that you have grabbed in the first section. Now let us put the text. So in the text, what you will be doing here is you will be getting the chat. So click on ChatGPT's message choices content. So choices message content is chosen here and click on OK. This is your setup for the bot. So click on run once and you will see the scenario being running perfectly. Right, so this is what your Telegram bot integration is done in this make. Let's see how it outputs us. Let us now head over to the Telegram and you will be typing what is 1 plus 2. So I have just prompted this and you will see the output within 2 seconds as 3. There you go. So this is how it works on. Thanks for watching. We will be finding you in the next tutorial.